Nowadays, if you are running an e-commerce site, it's a relatively big e-commerce site with multiple product categories and products, right? Then it will be quite a challenge to set up campaigns manually. Nowadays, if you are running an e-commerce site, especially if your site is big is in relatively big e-commerce site with multiple product categories and products, right? Then it will be quite a challenge to set up campaigns manually, like what we did for like smaller sites. So that is where e-commerce site typically they use this thing called dynamic ads. They crawl through the site and then based on the site terms in the keywords on your pages, they would is in shown for those keywords, and then your ad copies is based on the information they see on the website as well. So this in a way helps to ensure these particular things that in the best these particular best practices are this where you have keywords in the ad copy. Yeah, and because it will also be in the landing page because the keywords that you should be bidding for is also taken from the landing page itself.